This section we need to understand what is the difference between static data that and the persistent data. Persistent data is your database type of data. If this data is lost, your application is very hampered because some your database information, user table, other table data will be lost. And database data loss, that means everything is lost. But your static website data, that is HTML, CSS, web page data, if it's lost, you have a backup, you can copy this data. So uh, when this data is very important, and this data is less important, but I'll show you how can you manage this static website in using the Docker. So for that reason I am opening a uh, another image that is Docker nginx. Is nginx is a server. Microsoft people, most of the people uses using the IS server. So and others platform PHP, Node.js application mostly host in the Nginx server. So I am developing any company website using the Nginx server. So how can I use the storage and uh, show the content of my web page? Okay, so I copy this command again and sub add this docker run. Again, I follow the structure. B dot needed me and need to open a port, and hyphen D I'll remove from this area, hyphen D slash hyphen B, and I need also create another volume, docker volume create my nginx. Okay, I created a volume that name is my nginx. Copy, and instead of this nginx server user share nginx html location, I reflect this location to my created volume, and the port is suppose 8080 port, 8080 port, and the container inside port is 80. That means 80 port is inside the container is open. If I paste this, it will show the nginx latest image is not found in my local registry, so it's now downloading. So the download is completed. If I click the docker ps, see in nginx image also running in 8080 port. In my browser, I open a tab and click the local host and 8080. You see a default page is showing there, welcome to nginx, but I know the default location of the data version, back data, community, docker, and volume. You see the my nginx volume is already created. Inside there, data, I open the index html page in the notepad and remove everything. I create a p tag, suppose h1 tag, hello world, h1 tag, hi world. I created two. I modified the static HTML page. If I refresh this, you see the data is showing from there. And if you want to investigate the log, so how can you investigate the log? Docker logs ginx such container. Suppose now Docker ps some nginx. Sorry, the name is some nginx. So I click the log and the some nginx. You see it showing all the logs from here. But if you want to not showing every log, some specific area log, how can you it will show? So if I go to any tab and search Docker logs, you see here's some option you can provide. The option is some follow log output, how many times that logs you want to show, and is a tail number of lines show from the end of the log. So it's the shortcut is -n. Okay, so if I clear the image, Docker logs, uh, hyphen, what is the tag? I forget. -n, 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 then write 10. It only show the last 10 logs. Okay, so you can investigate all your container using the Docker logs and providing some keyword. Now I'm writing only the last 10 log I want to uh, show. And if you want to show the log in real time, that time instead of -f, you need to provide -f. It's a real time log. If I open my page in another tab, if I refresh this, you see the it's showing is the get request is coming there. You can investigate the real-time log using the -f tag. Okay, that is very cool feature uh, for investigating any type of issue. For investigating, you need to uh, write the use the command for the Docker log, and you can use any type of options from here to investigate the log. So I think I completed the basic part of the Docker, and I hope I completed the major part. So next video I am starting to develop my one thing. Next video I'll show you the some important things, that is the Docker network. After the showing the Docker network, I will move to the creating the Docker compose file. So bye bye, thank you.